Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce the news of products on my right hand. These are warmers using the liquid propanes or natural gas. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, about like a 58 and 1/4 inches long. And the depth of the unit is about like a 29 and 3/4 inches deep. And the overall height about the unit is about like a 32 and 3/4 inches tall. Also, the bottom layers is about like a 10 inches tall. And also we can see the units coming with the cutting boards at the front. So for the space of it, about 7 inches deep. And also we can take a look closer to see the pantry's dimensions. For these pantries, they are about like a 12 and 1/4 inches wide. And about like a 20 inches long. And the depth of it about like a 7.5 inches deep. So when we look in the front of the units, we can see they have individual controllers for each of the sections. They come in with 4 wheels. And for each of the sections, they have a small windows on top of it. You can measurement the fires. And looking the set of the units, we can see the ETL sanitation stickers and all the car sheets informations and the diagram informations too. At the bottoms, they have a PEP connections. And also from the manufacturers, they give you the regulator connections, and they're having a switcher kit for you to connect with the liquid propanes. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.